What is up, guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys the correct way on how you can delete your Shopify store. Now a lot of YouTubers here, they say they show you how you can delete it, but after 1 month you still the company or Shopify still charges your credit card or debit card, which is not that's a very bad thing, because you already cancelled the plan, you already deleted your Shopify store, and Shopify is still charging you, and people don't know why Shopify keeps charging them. That's why I'm making this video. I want to show you guys the correct way on how you can delete your own Shopify store. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, to delete your Shopify store, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. A lot of people, they are downloading apps, which is like the paid versions of these apps, and people pay for these apps, enter the credit card, they pay these companies who made these apps. As you can see, I have 5 apps now, and these apps, they will charge your credit card even after you close your Shopify store. So you have to go to apps and sales channels, and you need to delete all the apps here. If you have an app here, click on install, click on select the reason, click on uninstall, click on you have to remove all these apps before trying to close your account, so that Shopify will not charge your credit card. Okay, now after you do that for all the apps, now you can delete your account. Click on settings, click on plan, and here where it says plan, you can see here it says for me deactivate trial, but for you, because you are paying for Shopify, now I am not paying for it, especially on this store, it will say for you, it will say deactivate subscription or cancel subscription, something like that. Here it's going to be red. Click on it and give them the reason, and then you want to click on continue, deactivate store, and this store will be deactivated and it will not charge your credit card anymore. So a lot of people will say, okay, after I deactivate it, I'm still going to access it. No, you will not be able. Within 24 hours, if you try to log in, it will show you guys you have to pay for a plan. Otherwise, you will not be able to access anything here, like store details, plan, billings, user and permissions, payment, checkouts, customer accounts. You will not be able to access anything. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if you need any help. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.